Welcome to Daniel Foster's Masterclass in Mechanics. Just put that back on again. This was a right swap last time to get back in.
What are you taking off now?
Something.
Well, what do you want for tea then?
It's a song about your fucking mother. Filming this, yeah?
I don't know what you're doing it for though, really.
That's where the leak is dying. You got that one and that one. Alright?
Right. But it's not the radiator then. What did that phone go for then?
Fine.
The Galaxy 2.
Finish it, is it?
I don't know.
The same shit. Fucking shining light through that gap there, fucking blinding me. I think it's possible, would you? God's got better things to do with his fucking time. Just realised, God, there's going to be an earthquake in Indonesia, and I think we're going to lose 100. Just hang on, just give me a second. No, honestly, I am listening. Just look, he's lost his screwdriver. Oh, you fat cunt.
Don't bring me bucket, I should be buying another one.
Right, where was I? What a fucking prick. Your filming skills up to scratch, darling, because you're looking down the road whilst doing this filming.
Well, I can't actually see where you're sticking it anyway. Because your hand's in the way.
So if I go back to this later on, 2 weeks time we eventually afford a radiator,
Yeah.
and I can't even see what I'm doing,
Yeah.
not much use is it?
No.
No. So why don't you fucking get a grip?
We can afford a radiator, that's the thing.
Good. God, this fucking...
I don't understand why you're taking all the pipes off for.
For fun, darling. I'm doing it for a laugh. What's wrong with this twat? The reason I don't like doing it is you do this sort of thing and then all of a sudden it slips and comes off and you find every sharp fucking thing on the engine. Alright, if I can have that off first. Where are you going? Filming it? Good, that's definitely something I'm going to forget. What you do, and you can film me putting it there, and in a minute you can film me trying to find it, and I'll drop it down the back of there. Funny, wouldn't it?
It would be funny, wouldn't it?
Oh, we need a deep socket. I haven't got one. Little beauty. Little beauty. Little beauty over there.
Very exciting and cold.
This one. Filming that one. That went. Where'd that go? Oh, in this fucking hole up here. Alright? We won't let any professionals see this video, obviously, because we might get under the impression that I don't know what I'm doing. Now I've got my fucking diesel reel things in the way. Oh, it's funny, isn't it? My booty. Isn't there, my booty? There. Hear my booty? You like it when I talk like that?
No.
Talk like that?
No. You gotta talk
What about if I
posh.
talk like that?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah? Australians fucking nuts, mate. Don't give a fuck about nothing.
That's it.
Doesn't matter what it is. Fucking tsunami coming. Ah, fuck it.
Get your fat hands out of the way.
On the shoulder. I'm reluctant to say the words, I know I'm going to get them wrong on film. I think I need a wee. I fucking insane.
Don't break.
God, there's a tornado about to hit the United States seaport. I am listening honestly, he's dropped. We'll put that back in that hole there. Seems like a good idea, that diesel ray on the way, look. He's a funny thing, isn't he? Let's put him in there, look. Look, if I just put him in there. Oh, let's slip a little dicky in the vagina there, look. Oh, I'm dropping it, I'm dropping it, I'm dropping it.
That's because you're talking stupid.
I'm talking about dicky in the vagina. Do, 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 do. See what the problem is? It's fact.
Is it?
It's fact.
Is it?
Something in my ass.
Why'd you have to ruin a nice song for?
Come on, you fat fucker. Oh, why won't he come out of there? Little sausage. Inside now. 4. That can't be fucking tight. Fuck. You still filming?
Yes.
Tonight. Mind me get a longer screwdriver next time, alright?
Not still.
Yeah. Do like a specialist.
See, all these people have still got long hair. Why don't you just grow yours a little bit longer then?
It's all falling out.
It's not falling. What are you seeing that no one else is seeing then?
The hair is falling out of my head.
Yeah, it falls out anyway.
Mind me get a longer screwdriver for this finger. A specialist long one. Oh, he's... There's no way that could be tight on there. No way, boy. Thinking of you and the times we had, baby. Don't you cry tonight. Will you shut up?
I'm ill.
Fucking sneezing and fucking coughing. Come on, you bitch.
We've got a dry.
He's coming like a scent paint. Oh.
What is it?
I don't know.
You have no idea what you're doing, do you? You're just ripping the van apart.
Yeah.
Why?
Down as we go.
Well, no, because you're breaking seals now.
Ooh, okay.
Right, Angel? Can I go in now?
Now you can turn it off now.
How do I do that? How do I do that?
You round that thing, go on there. That way.